Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a very nutritious chicken soup with odihr mushrooms. This is typically how my family makes back in Sichuan. I want to share with you guys. I have one whole chicken I cut up to chunks like this and soak in water about 10-15 minutes, so this way we can get rid of the blood and the impurity. And I also have half cup of odihr mushrooms. They come with like a dried form like this. So after half hour soaking in the warm water, so they expanded like this. And you should get rid of the harpies on top. Harpies on top like this. I also have a few slices of ginger and half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. So first we're going to boil the chicken. To make a good chicken soup, it's very important. We'll do the first boil. My water is boiling. Then we'll add all the chicken into it. We're going to let this boil about 5 minutes. That's almost 5 minutes. Just make sure you skim the top. And now we're going to strain the chicken. I'm heating up about 10 to 12 cups of water in my cast iron pot. You can use your soup pot. We don't need to wait till the water boils. Now we just add the chickens. So we're going to bring this to boil on high heat. We also add ginger slices and Sichuan peppercorns. You don't want too much of them to overpower. Now our soup is boiling. Let's turn the heat to low and then cover it. Let it simmer about half hour. After half hour, we're going to add the odihr mushrooms. And we'll let that simmer about another half hour. After a half hour, our soup is ready. If you have time, you're not in a rush to eat, then you can continue simmer about another half hour. Now it's time to add salt to your taste. Smells so good. Now we are ready to serve our soup. The chicken soup smells so good and so warming and comforting, and odihr mushrooms are very rich in fiber, iron, and vitamins. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this nutritious chicken soup with odihr mushrooms. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.